Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Illit's Not Cute Anymore. This is the not cute version. Let's see what's inside. So this is a pre-order benefit, this photo card. Let's see who I have. Okay, so I have Mocha. There are a lot of loose pieces here. But let's start with what's on top. This is literally just the cover. Let's flip through. So this is the front, and this is the back. I don't know why I thought we were gonna see. Anyway, we have this poster. I kind of want Minju's hat. Next we have this, which is the sticker sheet. This is the CD. We have this postcard. Then we have this. I love this. Then we have this. We have these. Wani, Minju, Yuna, Mocha, Iroha. Now we have these cards. Oh wait. Can't forget the sugar packet sticker. Now, let's see who this card belongs to. This is Iroha. And this last card belongs to Wani. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye.